Over 80% of drivers have absolutely no idea these simple car tricks even exist. But here's the crazy part. Just one of them could save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars by preventing damage that most people never see coming. Most drivers go their entire lives without knowing these things. And chances are you might be one of them. Before you spend another dollar at the mechanic, the dealership, or the auto parts store, stay with me. Because today I'm going to show you 15 brilliant car hacks most drivers don't know about. Don't skip any of them. These will save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. Let's get started. Number 15. Foggy windows aren't a car problem. Your windshield keeps fogging up from the inside. No matter how much you blast the defroster or wipe the glass, the fog always comes back. Most drivers think something is wrong with the car, bad ventilation, a failing heater core, or the need for expensive anti-fog sprays. But here's what they don't tell you. The problem usually isn't the car at all. It's trapped moisture inside the cabin. Every rainy day, every snowy winter, even your own breath adds moisture to the air inside your car. Once it's trapped, it has nowhere to go. Here's the fix almost nobody knows. Take a clean sock or pantyhose, fill it with silica-based cat litter, tie it off, and place it under your seat or on the dashboard. The cat litter absorbs excess moisture from the air before it ever reaches your windows. And here's the kicker. This works all year long. In winter, it stops fog and frost from forming on the inside of your windows overnight. In summer, it removes that damp, muggy feeling and prevents musty odors. What they don't tell you is trapped moisture doesn't just cause fog. Over time, it can lead to mold growth, bad smells, and even damage to electronics inside your car. A $5 bag of cat litter can protect your car for an entire year. Number 14. Interior fading is completely preventable. You get into your car, and everything looks tired. The dashboard is gray instead of black, door panels look dull, and the interior feels older than the car really is. Detailing shops charge over $100 to restore interior plastics. Auto parts stores sell specialty products that promise miracles but cost $20 a bottle. But here's what most drivers don't realize. One of the best interior protectants is already sitting in your bathroom. Plain petroleum jelly. Put a very small amount on a microfiber cloth and gently wipe down plastic and vinyl surfaces. Then buff away the excess. The color deepens instantly. The shine comes back. Everything looks refreshed. And here's the kicker. Vaseline doesn't just improve appearance. It actually protects. It creates a UV barrier that slows fading and prevents cracking. What they don't tell you is the same trick works on rubber door seals, exterior trim, steering wheels, and even gear shifters. One cheap product, dozens of uses. Number 13. Scuff marks don't need special cleaners. Black scuff marks show up everywhere. Door panels, center consoles, seat edges. They make your car look trash no matter how clean it is. Most people scrub with regular cleaners and get nowhere. Here's what most drivers miss. A magic eraser. Lightly dampen it and gently rub the scuffed area. The marks disappear almost instantly. The microabrasive foam lifts the scuff without chemicals and without damaging the surface when used gently. And here's the kicker. This also works on exterior scuffs, bumper marks, door edge scratches, even tire marks from parking lots. What they don't tell you is magic erasers remove a microscopic layer of material. So always use light pressure and test in a hidden spot first. Number 12. Your headrest is an emergency escape tool. If you're ever trapped inside your car after an accident, panic sets in fast. Doors won't open. Pressure keeps them shut, and smashing the window with your hands won't work. But here's something almost no one knows. Your headrest is designed to help you escape. Pull the headrest completely out of the seat. Take one of the metal prongs and jam it into the corner of a side window where the glass meets the frame. Apply pressure and pry. The tempered glass shatters instantly. And here's the kicker. This isn't an internet myth. Many headrests are intentionally designed this way. What they don't tell you is this works on side and rear windows, not windshields, which are laminated. Knowing this could literally save your life. Number 11. Squeaky belts don't always mean replacement. Every time you start your car, the engine squeals. It's loud, embarrassing, and makes your car sound broken. Mechanics often say you need a new belt and quote $200 or $300. But here's what they don't tell you. Most squeaky belts aren't worn out. They're just dry or glazed. A simple belt dressing spray applied to the rib side of the belt while the engine is running can silence the noise instantly. One can cost a few dollars and last for years. And here's the kicker. If the squeal stays away, you just avoided an unnecessary repair. If it comes back quickly, then the belt actually needs replacement. Number 10. Cabin air filters are a 5-minute job. Your AC smells bad. Airflow feels weak. Dust blows straight into your face. Shops charge $40 to $60 to replace a cabin air filter and make it sound complicated. But here's the truth. Most cabin air filters are located behind the glove box and can be changed in about 5 minutes with no tools. Slide out the old filter, slide in the new one the same direction, and you're done. And here's the kicker. A clogged filter forces your AC system to work harder, reducing fuel efficiency and wearing out the blower motor faster. Number 9. Extra weight is silently killing your fuel economy. You've noticed you're filling up more often than before. Gas mileage keeps getting worse, even though you haven't changed how you drive. Most drivers blame fuel prices, traffic, or bad luck. But here's what they don't tell you. Every extra 100 pounds in your car reduces fuel economy by about 1% to 2%. That might not sound like much, but it adds up fast. Open your trunk. Look in the back seat. Tools you never use. Old boxes, sports gear, bottled water that's been there for months. All of that weight forces your engine to work harder every single mile. Remove just 100 pounds of junk, and many drivers see an immediate increase in fuel efficiency. And here's the kicker. Extra weight doesn't just waste fuel. It increases wear on your brakes, suspension, and tires. What they don't tell you is roof racks are even worse. The added weight combined with aerodynamic drag can reduce highway fuel economy by up to 25%. If you're not using it, take it off. Number 8. Headlight haze is a safety issue, not just cosmetic. Your headlights look yellow and cloudy. Night, driving feels harder than it used to. The road just isn't as visible. Most people think this is just how headlights age, or they pay over $100 for restoration. But here's what they don't tell you. Hazy headlights can reduce light output by up to 80%. That's not cosmetic. That's dangerous. Here's a cheap fix that actually works. Mix equal parts white toothpaste and petroleum jelly. Apply it to the headlight lens and scrub in circular motions for several minutes. Rinse and buff dry. The toothpaste removes oxidation. The petroleum jelly fills microscopic scratches and creates a protective barrier. And here's the kicker. Most restoration methods clean the lens but don't protect it, which is why the haze comes back in months. This method seals the plastic and keeps it clear much longer. Better visibility. Safer night driving. $5 total. Number 7. A coin can be used to break into your car. This one is scary, and most drivers have no idea it's happening. Thieves wedge a small coin into your door handle. When you lock your car with the key fob, the mechanism jams slightly. The car doesn't fully lock, but you don't notice. You walk away. The thief removes the coin and opens your unlocked car. No broken windows. No alarm. No evidence. Here's how you stop it. Before walking away, do a quick visual check of your door handles. Then physically pull the handle after locking. And here's the kicker. This trick works because modern cars made us lazy. We trust the beep instead of checking. What they don't tell you is thieves now use plastic wedges that blend in even better. 5 seconds of awareness can save you from a break-in. Number 6. Dirty AC vents are a health problem. Every time you turn on your AC, dust blows into your face. No matter how much you wipe, the vents stay filthy. Professional detailing costs over $100. Here's the fix almost no one uses. Cleaning slime, the kind made for keyboards. Press it into the vents. Let it mold into the gaps. Pull it out. Dust, dirt, pet hair, and debris come out instantly. And here's the kicker. Clean vents mean cleaner air. This matters especially if you have allergies or live in a humid climate. What they don't tell you is dirty vents can harbor mold and bacteria over time. Number 5, WD-40 is killing your locks. Your key sticks in the ignition. Door locks feel rough. You spray WD-40 and think you fixed it. But here's what they don't tell you. Oil-based lubricants attract dust. Over time, they turn into sticky paste and make the problem worse. Here's the correct fix. Take a regular pencil. Rub graphite all over the key. Insert and remove it several times. The graphite lubricates the lock without attracting dirt. And here's the kicker. This works on ignition locks, door locks, trunk locks, any lock in your car. A 25-cent pencil beats a $100 repair. Number 4, your steering wheel is cooking itself. In summer, your steering wheel is so hot you can barely touch it. You burn your hands every time you get in. Most drivers accept this as normal. Here's the trick. Before parking, turn your steering wheel 180 degrees so the part you normally grip faces downward. The sun heats the top, not the grip area. And here's the kicker. This doesn't just protect your hands. It slows down leather cracking and material degradation. The same trick works for gear shifters. Number 3, your car already has a hidden tow hook. You're stuck in snow, mud, or sand. Someone offers to pull you out. But where do you attach the strap? Never use the bumper. Here's what most drivers don't know. Your car came with a tow hook. Check under the trunk floor near the spare tire. Then look for a small square panel on your bumper. Pop it off and screw in the hook. That point is engineered to pull the entire vehicle safely. And here's the kicker. Knowing this can prevent thousands in bumper damage. Number 2, your car is spying on tire pressure. Your tire pressure light comes on. You check the tires. They're fine. Dealerships charge $50 to $75 just to reset it. But here's the truth. Temperature changes alone can trigger the warning. A 10-degree drop is enough. Most cars allow you to reset the TPMS through a button or dashboard menu. And here's the kicker. This takes 2 minutes and costs nothing. Number 1, most expensive car repairs start small. Here's the biggest secret mechanics don't talk about. Major failures rarely happen suddenly. They start small. Noises, smells, vibrations, warning signs drivers ignore. Pay attention early, and you avoid catastrophic repairs. And here's the real kicker. Knowing how your car works saves more money than any single hack. How many of these did you already know? Be honest, most drivers never hear about any of this. If even one of these tricks saves you money or prevents a repair, then this video already did its job. Make sure you're subscribed, because on this channel we break down real car knowledge, the stuff mechanics don't talk about and dealerships don't advertise. Watch us, and you'll understand your car better, spend less money, and avoid mistakes most drivers make their entire lives. And trust me, there are more car tricks you haven't seen yet. Click the next video and keep learning.